through experience, na-realize ko na mas maraming taong walang karanasan, walang experience, ang gustong maranasan yung mga kabundukan. So we wanted to offer these people something na wala sila for the everyday life, but they will always look upon na kapag every weekend, aakyat ako ng bundok. Now we are only the company na nag-cater ng mountains na merong mobile app. We wanted to innovate things. Pag na-realize nila na gusto nilang umakyat ng bundok, just click and tap. Thursday ngayon or Friday ngayon, click lang ng mobile app at makakapag-book na sila. Our experienced officers and safety officers, which are the drivers, are the lifeblood ng company natin. I believe na yung mission natin na to live life to the fullest, talagang ini-embody nila. Because sabi ko nga lagi, other people, other company can also offer yung mga bundok na ino-offer natin. Pare-pareho lang naman yung bundok. Hindi naman nagkakaiba pag sumama ka dito sa isa, tataas yung bundok. Walang ganun. Yung experienced officer natin, which is yung hiking leaders natin, and the safety officers, which are yung driver natin, sila yung nagbibigay ng buhay doon sa bawat trip na meron tayo. That's why we always train them, we always give them coaching so that yung level nila ng pagiging leader ay mas tumaas pa. Hindi nagtatapos yung samahan nyo doon sa kabundukan. Take 5 is about life. If stress ka sa trabaho, nandito si Take 5. Kung bored ka sa bahay, nandito si Take 5. Because kahit ano pa man niyang pinagdadaanan natin, we wanted an escape on that. We wanted na malagpasan yung mga bagay-bagay na yun. The mountains is only a means, but the end goal is that we wanted to live life to the fullest.